Hello friends, today's topic Reliance Industries revised price rupees 4,495. 8 reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Foreign financial institution and brokerage firm Goldman Sachs has raised the target price of the Reliance Industries stock and maintained a buy rating. The target price for Reliance Industries has been raised to rupees 4495 per share for financial year 2025-26. This is the best case scenario as per Goldman Sachs. If this is achieved, it will be rise of 50% from current price. On a base case, conservative estimate, Goldman Sachs has raised its target price of the stock to 3,400 from 2,925. This revised price target implies a potential upside of 14% after today's closing price of rupees 2,985. Reliance Industries shares rallied by more than 3.5% today due to this news. The capital expenditure in two capital-intensive businesses, retail and geo-telecom, reaching its peak. Reliance Industries is expected to show improvements in overall performance. As per Goldman Sachs, Reliance Industries shares tend to outperform the Indian market under two conditions. One, expanding returns in business, and two, higher valuation through stake sale in newer businesses. For the last 2 years, the shares had underperformed the overall markets. Reliance Retail and Reliance Jio's listing in the stock exchanges will help in increasing the value of the overall company. Reliance Industries has invested over 10 lakh crores in capital expenditure for the last 10 years, mostly in hydrocarbon and telecom businesses which are more capital intensive and have longer gestation period of over 5 years. Now, reasons for upward revision of target price of Reliance Industries. Number one, margin recovery of petrochemical business due to the higher global demand. Two, a rise in profitability in the telecom business due to the higher average revenue per user ARPU. Some tariff hikes are also being planned in the coming quarters. 3. Major capital expenditure for various businesses is coming to an end and hence it is closer to receiving benefit, especially from the new businesses. 4. The new businesses that Reliance Industries will be investing in for the next 3 years, retail and new energy, are less heavy on capital expenditure with higher returns and with a shorter gestation period. 5. Reliance retail earnings before interest tax is likely to nearly double within the financial years 2024 and 2027. 6. The new energy business is likely to provide positive earnings from 2024-25 and reach around 19,000 crores for the financial year 2029 to 2030. 7. Goldman Sachs also believes that Reliance will benefit from the Reliance Disney JV. 8. The company's cash returns on cash invested CROCI is expected to expand by nearly 2.7 to 12% in financial year 2027, which will be the highest level since 2011. Reliance shares price has rallied by over 15% so far in 2024 compared to 2% raise to the Nifty 50 index in the same period. Last week, brokerage firm UBS had also increased its price target on Reliance Industries to 3,400 from 3,000 earlier. End of the video, here is a question. Which business division of Reliance Industries do you think has most potential in the next 10 years? A. Oil petrochemicals, B. Telecom, C. Retail, D. New energy. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.